In this video, I will show you how to archive and in-archive Instagram post only in 1 minute, okay? Alright, let's get started. As you can see over here, we are in my Instagram account. So what you need to do is you just need to click on your post that you want to archive, then click on this 3 points over here, and you can see over here archive. Click on archive, then your Instagram post will be archived, okay? So if you go back to your profile, you will not find your Instagram post. As you can see over here, I don't have my Instagram post. So now you want to in-archive this Instagram post. What you need to do is you just need to click on these 3 lines over here, then click on archive, and you will find your post over here. Click on your post, then click again on these 3 points over here and click on show on profile. Click again on show on profile, and now your Instagram post is in archive. If you go back to your Instagram post, you will find if you go back to your Instagram account, you will find your post over here. As you can see, okay, here is my Instagram post and now it's in archive. So that's how you can archive and in archive Instagram posts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.